กูไปบังมันยังนองว่าแต่เจ๊ขับของตัวเองในหัวแต่เลยบินหน้าเตะไปนอปุ๊บได้ชวนกูดินั่นเนี่ยจังตัวเลยไงเล่นหนักจากกาบินหน้าเตะไปกับบินตาวัดยันบุทอตบุเบรกเล่นหนักจากกาตาจังเบรกเล่นหนักจากกากับบินหน้าเตะไปกับบินตาตัวเลยไงบินหน้าเตะไปกับบินตามันยังนองว่าแต่เจ๊ขับของตัวเองเอฟอังแต่เลยบินหน้าเตะไปดันเอาตัวแต่เลยดุยตัวเลยมันแต่เลยเยอะcái căn hàng liên hợp quốc nên nhá mừng ta lại tòa mò cầu buộc học mang bọc bể ấy thế lại cho nên nhá tạm nội tòa từ nhà đấy rim mung rim roi rim thun chẳng cả mọi thứ tùy mọi tang mọi thứ đi ai chẳng mọi thứ nút noa cái nào thế về chúng ta thôi bình yuan pi như choa bình lần nào cả ta pi như mạ bình ngoạn ngoạn một tí nhé bình lần nào cả ta nên ta đây tòa mọi thứ tùy mọi thứ tang cái bình ta chẳng mang cái tè bể cái bình ta mọi thứ nút noa cái nào bạn cho cái bình ta nên nhá cái ép mút là sáng tí nó bữa tinh nó toạc lại nhà lại ta lại cái căn hàng liên hợp quốc hàng ta lại chặt con ta bút tung cung góp toạc lại ngày lại mà ác rồi mình ta nhá cột phi bằng mà trong nòng và ta mà ép mà lăng họ
đại diện của đoàn Sudan đến gõ cửa đại sứ Sudan để trao kháng thư. Không như là Đại sứ quán Việt Nam họ đã lịch sự mở cửa mời vào. Hello. Đây là nhân viên tòa đại sứ. Thank you.
Mariam wanted to be here, so the letter is to the ambassador. We're concerned about 3 pastors who have been arrested in the last few months, and also one in Sudan, and they're accusing them of public disturbance just because they were having a church meeting. So we want them to be released. Because Sudan got rid of the apostasy law in July 2020 after the revolution, and we want them to really follow them and live for freedom and equality for all the citizens of Sudan. And we want to see that freedom. Mariam Ibrahim is also signed on to the letter, and she is a testament to the changes in Sudan. She stood up for her faith and for Sudan, for the rights of every individual to choose what they want to believe or not to believe. And she could have just said, I'm a Muslim, they would have let her go. But she knew she wanted to stand up for her right and for her children's right. To be able to choose what you want to believe. Because God doesn't accept, they want it to come from your heart. So, and today now Sudan got rid of the apostasy law, Ridda. But there's some people who still want to bring it back, and we don't want that. So we're coming here to say we want to stand for freedom, for justice, equality for all Sudanese citizens.
And what group you want?
Jubilee Campaign, Stand by People Free,
Catartismos Global.
And we have some Montagnard Christians, people at the land from Vietnam. We're all coming together because there's an international
China, Korea.
International Religious Freedom Summit in DC. And so we want to go to different embassies and call for the release of prisoners of conscience, and also to advocate for the repeal of apostasy and blasphemy.
We want peace and freedom from Nubia to Darfur to Bijaland to the Nuba Mountains to Blue Nile.
And we are in Sudan Human Rights Organization Network. Definitely this will be a great addition to our struggle for freedom and for expression of religion and
Thank you.
Thank you.
blessing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
We would like to leave this letter with the ambassador. We're coming here from a coalition of different civil society and organizations, and we're calling for the release of 3 prisoners of conscience in Sudan. And we'd like to see them released and the charges off. They were arrested because they were meeting together, having church services. They were accused of public disturbance. And Sudan doesn't have an apostasy law, and yet they still arrested these people. So we want to see this change. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Okay, we'll give you, yeah. If you give me the letter. Okay.
Đây là quang cảnh của đại sứ quán Sudan. Cũng nhỏ nhỏ như một cái nhà bình thường thôi.
There's a beach of that looks like Ibrahim when he lets his hair get all wild.
Đây là chót. Tới đây là hết rồi.
You know more about the fight. I don't know. He was in the north. I mean, he was born. His parents are like old men. So like his grandfather, like my grandfather.
They're from the central region or where?
They were Underman. Oh yeah. But yeah, they grew up in Cuba. Yeah, his mom, like my grandfather, his mom was pink.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know
And
that.
then he was, and then it's really good for them. And he was, my grandmother, but they grew up in Sudan. But my dad's parents, so my dad was always
Yeah. And then you married a Swede, right?
12 giờ rồi. Sau khi kết thúc ở tại đại sứ Sudan, chúng tôi kết thúc buổi livestream, buổi tuần hành. Xin quý vị đón theo dõi các event kế tiếp ở hội nghị tự do tôn giáo tại Washington. Còn rất nhiều event kế tiếp căng thẳng, nhiều nhất là ngày mai có 17 section. Xin kính chào quý vị.